select list. So we can use it, suppose location equal to Hyderabad. Okay, and we can search it, suppose location in Hyderabad and Bangalore or something. Okay, so here we can write it something like location not equal to suppose Hyderabad, except Hyderabad
remaining all will become. Suppose here we can able to write it location not location
not equal. So except Hyderabad or Bangalore, remaining all will become. Okay, this is comes to as a single one we can able to write it. Or else if you want to capture empty ones, so empty ones how will capture? Suppose is a drop down means location equal to, you can write it like this.
Will become, so empty one will become. So suppose empty one we need to accept it. How we need to write it? So we can able to write
it locations not equal to
empty.
But when you come to a text, text fields, if you
want to capture with some name, the name should be text field.
suppose text field I have written suppose address. You need to write this delta symbol. Suppose Hyderabad. If you mention
that Hyderabad name in that address, this will be done. Okay.
And you can write it address not equal delta and HYD. Or else if you want to capture empty or not empty, you need to write address is empty. Right? Address is not empty. Like this, we can able to capture it. Clear? So next we'll discuss like a normal fields equal to or not equal to, in, not in, is, not is. Okay, not in. We'll go with a like date fields now. Date fields is nothing. You just select any date field in a more options. Like I'll select create a date. When you click on the create a date, the date will become the 4 options. Within loss means, so suppose if I create a 20, suppose I'll enter some 20. If I click on 20 minutes, last 20 minutes created tickets will become. So there is no tickets created in last 20 minutes, so it will not come. Suppose 20 hours, only one ticket are created. Okay, like it created in 11th May, it will come last 20 days, 20 hours. Suppose I'll select 20 days, last 20 days tickets. This is last 20 days tickets will be all, all projects 20 days tickets. These are 43 last 20 days created tickets. If I'm selecting only one project tickets I want, only, and I think all will create in a one ATP project. Suppose I want only project wise, I can select projects here. Suppose I'll select something OTP is there, where it is present something. Only one project, it is a OTP projects, and from OTP, and I've selected only last 20 days created tickets, and 20 weeks also we can able to select. Okay, it means is a within last. Suppose here more than a minute ago, more than a hours ago, more than a days ago, or weeks ago. Like if I select, first we'll discuss here. First I'll select 20 here, 20 days. I'll update it. When you click on advanced, how it comes? Project is equal to OTP and created greater than or equal to minus 20 days. It means created date should be more than minus 20 days, and means first we need to go back to minus 20 days, then it will be comes to after 20 days created tickets. Like it means like last 20 days created ticket will become. So this is the conditions. Last 20 days created tickets. Okay. So suppose I'll go with here. I can day means suppose when you written D date. Suppose when you select minute, 20 minutes will become that will be come to M. When I click on weeks, 20 weeks will become. Okay, just later based on that it will become minus 20 weeks, minus 1 day, minus 1 minute or something like. Okay, so we can able to select drop down everything. So we don't need to worry anything. So we can select anything from here. Suppose next it is coming more than means what? More than minute ago, more than hours ago, and like days ago. These days before or something days ago. That is before means. Suppose which tickets are created is a last week and this week before. Like today is a 12th. Suppose today is the Tuesday, like 11, Saturday 9. So I want to capture this week. Below 8 date created tickets I want or something. I can able to write it. Suppose 4 days. 4 days ago. 4 days ago created tickets will become. 4 days ago means before how many tickets are created? Like 8. 4 days means 12, 11, 10, 9. It will not come. Before these 8 days tickets will become. So in these projects. When you write this JQL filter, can you see project is equal to OP when created date a less than or equal to minus 3 days. So created date, it should be lesser than which is minus 4 days. Like, so I've written like the minus 4 days means these 4 days will become like 4, 10, 11, 12. Okay, when I've written like minus 4 days before that greater than except this 4 remaining date all will become. Okay. Don't confuse it more. This is the like loss these days. So this is means loss these days before means. Okay. So when you I have a suppose today is the suppose I'll come from like 1, 2, 3, 4 something. So I'll write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Today is the 12th. I want to capture like these last 4 days tickets. Last 4 days ticket means how I need to write last 4 days tickets. 4 days created tickets. I know to write created is a more than greater than or equal to. You can write it greater than or equal to anything. So greater than minus 4 days. It means so I'm in 12th now. So created date minus 4 days. First minus go to minus 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9th date. 9th to it should be more than created date. More than means 9, 10, 11, 12 it will become. So these 4 days created ticket will become. Okay, it means 9, 10, 11, 12 created date will become. So when I've written like minutes before ago, suppose when I'm selecting this more than option, more than 4 days ago or something. Suppose I don't want this 4. Okay, so I want only to be captured these 1 to 8 created tickets. So I can able to write it. Suppose one to 8 work. If I want to 1 to 8 dates, I need to write the query is a created less than minus 4 days. Okay, so this is the option that we can able to write it more than a minute. Suppose if you want any particular date wise, so I'll select date. So I'll just select it between the date. Suppose I'll select May month 2018 now. Suppose May 20, I'll go with only January created tickets. In a January, I've selected Jan 1st 2022. If you not select anything, always it will be calculated as a latest version, like latest date. And when it comes like end date, if I'm selecting end date or something, suppose if I'm selecting today date, click on update. this advanced option will become. See, project is equal to OTP and created is a more than of 200101, like written it will become. So we are normally calculated like date, month, year, and it will be calculated written like year, month, date. It will be, we need to write it. This is the interview question as well, how we need to write date format. So year, month, date, and next year as well, year, month, date. So between this date, January to till date, how many tickets are created. So this is the query. Okay, so when you select here basic one, you will clear it out. Just click on basic and just click on advanced and check the query. And if you want in range, like last 3 weeks or last 4 weeks tickets, or minus 2 hours ticket, something you can mention, right? Minus 3 weeks 4 days 12 hours, 3 weeks 4 days 12 hours, something. Okay, so this way we can able to write filter it date wise. Okay, so here something, I need to tell you something. So I'll select suppose two tickets. Okay, so I've written one filter. The filter name, suppose I've selected Bleach telecommunication tickets, which is a 90. I'll go back again. Main tickets, I've written, I've seen these tickets, so everything here, but I come back again. अरे यार, guys, wait a second, I'll come back. So when it is come back again, if I go with again issues and search, so again what I'm seeing here, I can so I have the options. There is no save. I have not saved it, so I need to write it that filter again. So like project is going, but I think every time I need to write it. Suppose every time I want open tickets, or every time I want last 1 week created tickets. So we have an option like save. So when I've written something, so I selected some like a Bleach telecommunications. When I've selected any filter here, we'll get a options something. So when I'm click on new search, yeah, so I select Bleach telecommunications. So when I'm selecting one projects, any filter I've written, like location wise, date wise, anything if you're written, you will get this save as option. Just click on save as this option, you just write it. These tele tickets, I've written save the filter. So when I click on save this, this filter will be saved it, and it will be comes to automatically your favorite tickets. So this left side it comes, see, is a bleach chili ticket. So is the next time I can able to click on that tickets, and it will be comes to by automatically it will become. See, if I click on again the next time, the tickets will become automatically. So I no need to write it a next time. So which tickets, which like filter we saved it, and the filter you can able to access in a future in any time. Okay. And next, suppose you've written this is the like your purpose or at a team purpose. So this is only not administrative work, this is completely user also can able to write it their own filters. This is not completely administrative work, and but we need to know how to write. And one user will be comes and he will ask you some, like I want to capture this, I want to filter this. That time we need to explain them how we need to write a filter. Okay. So if higher people will ask you, you will just create it, or else we just inform them to you can write it yourself or something. So suppose you've written this, you want to share with your team. When you saved it, the filter will be saved with one id, filter is equal to 222 or 07. Directly you can share it from here, you can write it that person email id and notes, you will get it. But to access this filter, you want this filter permissions. So if you click on these details, if you click on these details, we have, see here, who can view this filter? Only editors. Who can edit this filter? Only owner. Owner means you can able to see it, and you can only able to like edit, and you can able to see it. So instead of that, just edit permissions. Once you click on edit permissions, you want to share with this to any particular group or open, or anyone can able to access that. Add viewers, and who needs to access groups, the groups we can able to select it. If you want to projects, project, which project, suppose bleach something, same project I want to capture something. So bleach telecommunication, who is the project roles, people, administrator or users or all. And suppose if I go with any logged in user, any logged in person can able to access it. Okay. So here editor, suppose you saved it, you created this, but if you are providing any edit permission to some other person or not, any logged in user, suppose if you, suppose I've selected bleach tele, when you click on add this, you click on add option this. Once you click on add only, it will become. Okay. So this is the bleach telecommunication. If I'm save it, see here, I'll comes to bleach. If I click on details now, only one project tele bleach persons can able to access this filter which I have written here. Okay. So just today, to write some filters based on your project, create some data, different projects, different issue type and different statuses, and different information in the drop down fields or text fields, and date fields where you just capture it. And here if you have any created date or updated date, suppose last 20 days, suppose I want, I'm working on projects last 50, last 2 days updated ticket. No, if they are not update anything in a 2 days, that not updated tickets I want to come. So we can able to use this, instead of created date, we can able to write it a updated date. So updated date which is not is a 4 days, we can able to write it this updated not minus 4 days or something, updated and which is not updated last 4 days or something. So we can able to write it this, we can able to select here updated date, updated date. So updated date here, and you just select suppose resolution date. So I want to be capture only result this month result tickets. A result ticket means, so when you are, when we resolution is set in our system or any issue, the resolution date will be automatically created. So you just click on resolution date, resolution date, not resolutions, resolution date will become, and we can able to select within last 5 years more than this date. So when close things, and it will become yesterday about we are discussing resolution date. I'll select resolution something, resolutions. Suppose if I want to only own fixed, completed, done or something, I'll select fixed one. So only fixed one, there is no fixed one. We have selected some difference always. So I'll select a conflict, kind cancel. So the cancel one will become, so this is all will be cancelled. Okay, so cancer resolutions will become here. So, okay, so the thing is here, just go with to write some basic filter. You just select from here, or you just select from, you just write it. But anytime, suppose when it comes this red symbol, your filter is not correct. The value is not correct. When it is comes, that project is equal to sum is a green right symbol, the filter is correct. So remember this, and just created something. So I'll give you these notes which I've written today. Okay, and practice it, and we'll discuss more. This is not enough for this, but this is one step, when we'll discuss more about reportings tomorrow. Okay. Hello. Hello. Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So just try it, what we are discussing, like create it and just save it. Okay, so you just play with some GQL queries, and if you want anything, you just type in Google and you will get it. Okay, so we'll discuss more about these reportings tomorrow again. Okay. Okay, guys. Take care.